I just wanted to show what's going on here because I think it's a little cool. This is the machine I put together in about 2017, and I'm about to add a new component. This is a hard drive, and it will go in on this adapter for the PCIe lanes. I just opened up the computer to give a sanity check to make sure the spacing looks okay to put it in there. It does need to be cleaned, but I'm planning to do a better job cleaning it. When I have a few more components on the way, I'm going to add RAM and upgrade the graphics card if it all works out. And that should be a longer video when that happens, hopefully. But anyways, I wanted to show this is this old machine. It's a AMD machine. It's got a Ryzen 7 1700 8-core CPU and a Radeon RX 580, both from circa 2017, and it's still running pretty well.